Hi guys, and welcome to another episode of Draw With Me. In today's episode, we're going to be drawing a heart emoji. Now the key to drawing a good heart is getting the two sides absolutely symmetrical. That means that the left and the right side are equal. If you draw with your left hand, I would recommend that you start with the right side of the heart. And if you draw with your right hand like me, start with the left side of the heart. So now let's begin. Take a starting point and draw the left side of the heart, like so. Now, it's alright if you don't get it fine the first time, and that's why we're using the pencil to make sure that we get the left side of the heart really nice. So make sure you got the left side of the heart really nice, and then go on to the right side of the heart. Make sure you get the height of the heart the same and the width of the heart the same. And there we go. Now, the reason I want you to draw this in pencil is you can try as many times to make sure you get the heart the way you want it, looking good. And if you're not happy with it, you can erase it and make sure it looks exactly like the left side. So now that we've got the heart looking the way we like it, let's move on and draw the eyes. Now, to start with the eyes, let's draw a semicircle, and then let's make sure we get the eyes equal on both sides. Like so. And then let's draw a smile. Let's give the heart a tooth and a small tongue. Now we're going to go over this with a Sharpie, but we just want to make sure we've got the heart looking as good as you'd like it. And there we go. That's the outline of our heart. Now, let's start taking the Sharpie and drawing the same outline in Sharpie. So let's start. Let's take this line. Outline and use the Sharpie to just make sure we're getting the outline correct. I'm going to outline cheeks, and you're going to outline eyes, and now let's outline the pupil. Let's outline the mouth. I'm gonna cap it there. There, outline teeth and the tongue. Now let's go in and color the heart. Now to begin, I'm just going to be using a regular Sharpie to color the eyes in. So let's give the eyes some highlights. And you can go in finally, once you've done, and erase your pencil lines. And voila. And there we go. That's your heart. I hope you had fun drawing with us. And if you like drawing the heart, please like and subscribe to our channel and watch our other videos. Thank you for watching.